Hello everyone. Okay. Good evening again. Okay. I request to you, okay, all of you, okay, that try to use your names, okay, which is unique. Okay. Don't use some names so that it will be make problem for all of us. Okay. तेव्हा आपले नाव योग्य नाव आहेत की नाही चेक करा कारण तेच रेकॉर्डिंग मध्ये येत असतं नेहमी. ठीक आहे. किंवा रिनेम करू शकता तुम्ही. ओके. यू कॅन रिनेम इट. Okay. So I start sharing my screen. Okay, we are discussing about. Okay, so this is the part we are discussing. That is default mutable tree node. Okay, we have created it, right? And the name of the node is root. Okay, instead of this root, you can give other name also. Okay, it depends upon you what you want to give it, right? You can give other node that is a start point. So you can give it. Okay, this is just a name. Okay, and it is visible on your फ्रेम. ठीक आहे. जे नाव तुम्ही इथे द्याल ते नाव तुमचं काय असतं की तुम्हाला ते व्हिजिबल होतं. ठीक आहे. ते नाव तुम्हाला दिसतं. ठीक आहे. You can use any name. Okay, you can use root or you can use a starting point. Okay, any name you can use. Okay, so this is the object and this is the name it is visible. ठीक आहे. तेव्हा डबल कोटेशन मध्ये स्ट्रिंग व्हॅल्यू जी आपण देतो ते काय असं नेम असतं जे आपल्याला स्क्रीनवर व्हिजिबल होतं. ठीक आहे. आणि आपण इथे जे काय देतो ते काय असतं ऑब्जेक्ट असतं. दॅट इज द नेम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. राईट. सो देन these are the child nodes which are created. One is a vegetable node, second is a fruit node. It depends on you which child node you want to create. Okay, these are the name of the object. Okay, and whereas these are the messages or text which are visible. Right, the message is vegetables or fruits. तेव्हा ही नावं आहेत जी स्क्रीनवर दिसणार आहेत आणि व्हेजिटेबल नोड अँड फ्रूट नोड काय आहेत ऑब्जेक्टचे नाव आहेत. ओके. देन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज दॅट यू हॅव टू ऍड these ऑब्जेक्ट्स, यू हॅव टू ऍड these चाइल्ड नोड्स ऑन अ रूट नोड. ठीक आहे. तेव्हा काय आहेत की चाइल्ड नोड्स कुठे येणार आहेत खाली येणार आहेत. मग अशी दाखवली होती हायरार्ची लास्ट सेशन मध्ये. ओके. सुरुवातीला काय असणार आहे सुरुवातीला तुमचं काय असणार आहे रूट नोड असणार आहे त्याच्या खाली चाइल्ड नोड्स असणार आहेत. ठीक आहे. मग चाइल्ड नोड्स काय केले पाहिजेत रूट वर ऍड केले पाहिजे. सो रूट डॉट ऍड व्हेजिटेबल नोड देन रूट डॉट ऍड फ्रूट नोड. राईट. सो then you will create a z tree. Okay, so here the object of z tree is created, that is a tree. Okay, you can give any other name also to avoid confusion. Tree 1. Okay, same name I can use it here. Tree 1. Okay. So tree 1 is the name of the object. Okay, tree 1 is created by using a new z tree, and for this particular constructor you have to specify the name of the object. ठीक आहे. तेव्हा ही ट्री 1 क्रिएट करण्यासाठी काय लागणार आहे ऑब्जेक्टचं नाव लागणार आहे. ऑब्जेक्टचं नाव काय ओके सॉरी रूटचं नाव लागणार आहे. रूट ऑब्जेक्टचं नाव लागणार आहे. रूट ऑब्जेक्टचं नाव काय रूट आहे. ठीक आहे. तर स्टार्टिंग पॉईंटचं नाव काय रूट आहे. ठीक आहे. ते आपण स्पेसिफाय केलं. कन्फ्युजन होऊ नये म्हणून त्याचं पण मी नाव चेंज करतो. ओके. आय विल यूज ॲट अ रूट 1. सिमिलरली हिअर आय विल चेंज इट रूट. ठीक आहे. तेव्हा ट्री 1 बनवण्यासाठी आपण काय पास केलं ऍज अ पॅरामीटर रूट 1 पास केलं. बऱ्याच जणांना कन्फ्युजन असेल सर व्हेजिटेबल नोड आणि फ्रूट नोड कसे दिसतील. ते दिसणार आपल्याला. ते शुअरली दिसणार त्याच्याबद्दल काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ते का दिसणार आपल्याला कारण आपल्याकडे रूट अवेलेबल आहे. ओके. फॉर एनी ट्री इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग ऍक्सेस टू अ रूट यू कॅन हॅव ऍक्सेस टू चाइल्ड. ओके. सो यू शुड हॅव ऍक्सेस, you should have a permission to use a root node, then you can have a permission to use all other childs. ठीक आहे. त्याचे चाइल्ड्स वापरण्याचा काय तुम्हाला अधिकार आहे. ठीक आहे. याआधी पण आपण ह्या गोष्टी बघितलेल्या आहेत. नेक्स्ट इज ऍड ट्री 1. we are directly adding it because our class jTreeDemo okay is extending a JFrame. So all the properties of JFrame are available to jTreeDemo. So for this particular add method is of a frame. JFrame ची मेथड आहे ऍड. ओके. त्याला आपण डायरेक्टली वापरू शकतो बिकॉज अवर क्लास बिहेव लाईक अ JFrame. So add tree 1. Okay, so we're adding that particular tree which is created object of that tree by using add method, add tree. Okay, then we are using this dot set default close operation. This means for this current class only, current class is zTreeDemo. Okay, for this dot set default close operation. If you don't want to use this also, okay, you can avoid it. Okay, this is also correct. This part is also correct. Why is it correct? Here also we have to make a change. Why this part is correct? Because set default close operation is a method or a function of a JFrame. Okay, we are extending a JFrame, so this method is available to Z3 demo directly, right? So there is no need to use this. Okay, याच क्लास साठी अप्लाय करायचं आहे, मग दिस वापरण्याची तेवढी काय गरज नाही. Okay, if you want to use it, you can use it. Okay, if you avoid it, then also the code will work. Okay, don't worry about that particular part. Okay, if you want to use, then you can use it. The same things. Similarly, set title, then pack and set visible. We have discussed about all these 4 methods. Okay, set title to give a name or to give a title to a frame. Okay, pack to rearrange the frame correctly. And the last method is a set visible. Set visible. Okay, we are making a set visible true because your class or your frame should be visible. Your frame is Z3 demo. It should be visible. That's why you are using it. Okay, then we are having this particular main method. Okay, within that main method we are using this swing utilities. Okay, and this is the inner class method. I have told you. Okay, inner class method and how to use it. Okay, this is a run. Within that we are calling this constructor. If you don't want to use it, okay, what you can do is you can call this constructor directly in the main method. Okay, you can call it. You can avoid other part also. You can make it simple. No need to create very difficult part. We can make it simple. This is also work. Okay, don't worry about it. We can directly call that particular class by using a constructor. Okay? No need to use that swing utilities also. Okay, if you feel any problem in that, okay, you can directly use it. Now I am running this particular code, the run as and Java application. Okay, this particular part is visible here. The name of the Z tree example. Is it visible to you? Hello, is the screen is visible to you?
No, sir.
Eclipse is not visible.
Eclipse is visible.
Okay, output is not visible, right?
Output is not visible.
Okay. Don't worry. Okay, I will share it again.
Yes.
Okay, I will run this code first. Okay, I will go to that particular. I can go to that particular class, then right click on it. Okay, and then run as, run on. Run as and then Java application. Okay, up to this part it is visible. Run as Java
Yes.
application. Okay. Next part I will show you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now is it visible? Yes. Z tree example. This is the frame.
Yes.
Output frame is created. Now is
Yes.
it right? So Z tree example. This is a name which we have given it, right? And then we are having a root node. Name of the node is root. We have given it, and then we are having a 2 nodes, vegetable and fruits. Okay. So is it up to this part? Is it okay for all of you? I want a reply not from Madhuja.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. I want a reply from other students. Yes. Pradnya and all other students. Please check. Okay. So now I am having one question. Okay, for you. Okay, Pradnya, I am having a question. Vaishnavi, I am having a question. The question is, okay, on the screen, we are having a vegetables and we are having a fruits, right? So if I want to add sub nodes from vegetables. व्हेजिटेबलच्या आतमध्ये मला काही नोड्स ऍड करायचे. व्हेजिटेबल इज वन इज अ ब्रिंजल. Okay, second vegetable I want to add it as, for example, let us consider I want to use garlic. Okay, let us suppose, okay, any names, any vague names I want to use. Then I want to use cornflower. Okay, and there are number of vegetables you can add it. Okay, so if you want to add these sub nodes, okay, in a vegetable node, okay, how you can do it? काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला हे करण्यासाठी? Anyone from you? Okay, not only Vaishnavi and Pradnya. Uday, Sahil, you can also answer. Okay. My question is clear to you? Okay, on a screen you are having these things, okay, or you can take one other example also. Very good, very good. Okay, this I got a reply from Pradnya. Okay, that is on a vegetable node you have to add other nodes, right? Very good, very good. Okay, for other students who haven't clear this thing, okay, मी परत एकदा सांगतो. समजा फ्रूट हा नोड आहे, त्या फ्रूटच्या आतमध्ये मला अजून काही फ्रुट्स ऍड करायचे आहेत, की सब नोड्स बनवायचे, मँगो, ऍपल, ओके, बनाना अँड सो ऑन. ओके, हाऊ टू डू इट? दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. I got a reply from Pradnya. Okay, it is very correct. I want a reply from some, okay, subnode, add subnodes, right? Okay, now Vaishnavi, then tell me, okay, if you have created apple, okay, as a one more node, or mango as one more node, then uh, mango is added to fruit or mango is added to root? Okay, to which node it is added? राईट, तुम्ही मँगो क्रिएट केलाय, ऍपल क्रिएट केलाय, मग मँगो किंवा ऍपल हा जो सब नोड आहे तो फ्रूट वर ऍड करायचा की रूट वर ऍड करायचा? नक्की कुठे ऍड करायचा? Okay, Vaishnavi is saying we have to add on a root. Pradnya, what is your answer? Where to add it? Aditi, yes, you can also answer. Shubham, Uday, Runal, yes, you can answer. Pushpa, Vaishnavi is saying you can. Okay, now Vaishnavi has given a answer. Okay. Fruit, right. Okay, you have to add this mango or apple on a fruit. Okay, and then it will be automatically added on the root. Okay, आपण काय करणार आहोत, हे सब नोड जे आहेत ते ज्या नोडला रिलेट करतात त्या तिथे ऍड करणार आहोत. Okay, apple, mango are the sub nodes of fruits, so you have to add this apple, mango on a fruit. Okay, and indirectly it will be visible. Okay, very good, very good. Similarly, if you want to use here brinjal, garlic, cornflower, then you have to add these nodes on the vegetables. Okay, then this hierarchy will be seen. Okay, very correct, very correct. Okay, okay, I got a reply. So what I am telling to you is, okay, I will share this screen again. Okay, you can easily modify this code, right? You can easily modify this particular code. What you can do is, okay, very simple steps. If you want to add new nodes, then what you can do it, okay, you can copy this particular part, right? Paste here. Okay, change the name of the object. Here consider that it's apple, right? Here I will give a message as apple. This is very simple steps, right? Apple. So this is the name which is visible and this is the name of the object. Okay, if I want to use one more node, let us consider mango, then I can use it, mango, and here it is mango. Okay, so these two nodes are created. The important thing is that I have to add these two nodes on a fruit node. So what is the procedure? Before adding to a root, okay, I have to add it, right? So fruit node, okay, fruit node dot add method. It is directly available. Okay, we have to add apple. Similarly, here it is a fruit node dot add. Here it is a mango node. Right. So both the nodes are added here. Okay, so in the live session only I am showing to you. Okay, so these two nodes are added on a fruit node. Okay, fruit node and vegetable node is added on a root one, and then root1 is given to a tree. Okay, so if you run this particular application again, okay, run as and Java application, then you will get that output very easily. Yeah, I stop sharing the screen. I will share that screen again. I think it is visible to you now, right? Okay. So if you click on these fruits, then these two fruits are available. Okay, so if you identify for a vegetable, some other symbol is there. For a fruits, there is a folder type of symbol is there. Okay, this is just like a file and type of symbol. So for a root, we are having a folder type of symbol. For vegetables, we are having a file type of symbol, and for fruits, we are having again a folder, subfolder type of symbol. Okay, so it is clearly visible. Okay, that is fruit is folder. Okay, so in a fruit, we are having two more things are available. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this part is clear to you. Yes, please reply. Pushpa, is it clear? Pushpa, I want a reply from Pushpa. Uday, Runal. Okay, they are not replying. Aditi, yes. Okay, very good, very good. So on a vegetable also you can add it in a similar way. Okay, on a vegetable also you can add it in a very simple way. Okay. Now I will stop sharing the screen. I will share my. Okay, from Runal also I got a reply. Very good, Runal. Okay, it should be clear for you also. Now, if you identify here, then okay, I got that you don't have any doubts. So you can easily do this particular practical, okay, by using this default mutable tree. Okay. Now one more thing is that I will go to a next session. Okay, this is practical number. I think this practical is practical number 6. Write a program using swing to display scroll pane and J combo in a J applet with the English, Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit as the item. So these are the this is the practical number 6, right? Okay, is my Eclipse ID is visible, no? Right? So this is practical number 6, J combo and J scroll pen demo. Okay, again we have created this class. We are going to a src, then right click here, then new, and then class, right? So you can easily create it. This is the name of the class. You can give any name. Okay, but J combo box and J scroll pen, these are the default classes, so don't give that name. Okay, you can modify that name and you can give it. Okay, and it is extending a frame. It is extending a frame, right? Then here we are having a J combo box. Okay, they have told us that, sorry, they have told us that try to use both the cases. That is, try to use combo box as well as try to use that particular J scroll pane also. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, we will just modify this particular thing. Okay, we can create a. Okay, we are creating this J combo box. Okay, I am modifying this code. Okay, on the live only, so you can get a feel of it. Here I have declared the two objects. Okay, that is a J scroll pane reference and J combo box reference. Okay, now here we can make some modifications. Instead of J list, okay, I want to use J combo box. Right? Okay, so now this is there. So this is a constructor of a J combo and J scroll pen demo class. Okay, within that we are using, we have used this super. Okay, so super means, okay, the super class constructor is directly available. Okay, ह्या क्लासचा सुपर क्लास कोणता आहे, जे फ्रेम आहे, मग त्याचा कन्स्ट्रक्टर इथे डायरेक्टली अवेलेबल झाला, डिफॉल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर. इफ यू वांट टू यूज इट, देन you can keep it. Okay, otherwise you can avoid it. Okay, you can mark a comment. It is up to you. We are not using super class features, so If you want to keep it, okay, you can keep it, otherwise you can remove it. ते तुमच्यावर आहे. Then we have used this container. Okay, instead of frame we are using a container. Container कसा वापरायचं ते पण आपण बघितलंय. कंटेनरचं महत्व पण बघितलंय. So we are creating this containment object, and to create an object of a container we have to use this get containment. So I have explained about this get containment method also in the previous sessions. You can go to my YouTube channel, you can watch a video regarding this container and get containment method. Okay, and the material is also available on the internet also, you can go through it. Okay. By using this get containment object, we are setting a layout. Okay, there are different types of layout: grid layout, flow layout, and so on. Okay, we are using this flow layout. Generally we are using a flow layout. Okay, flow layout means, okay, take first row, okay, use all columns in the first row, then go to a second row, all columns in the second row, and so on. Okay, this is the flow layout one by one. Okay, then we have used this string array. Okay, this is a string array because in the practical we have told that we have to show the 4 languages: English, Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit. So we have created an array of string array. Okay, and we have given these 4 languages in a double quotation. So these are the 4 elements of the array. It is very easy. Practically this part is very easy. Then we have created a J combo box, object of J combo box. Okay, and for an object of J combo box there are different constructors. Okay, these are the constructor of J combo box. Different constructors are available. Okay, you can have a default constructor, then you can have a combo box model as a parameter. Okay, you can have an object array as a parameter, you can have a vector as a parameter, you can have a normal constructor. Okay, out of these, okay, this is not a constructor, but first 4 are the constructor. Out of these 4 constructor, okay, which constructor we are using? This is my question to you. Okay, can you tell me, out of these 4 constructor, which one we are using? Yes, anyone from you? Yes, yes, I want answer from your side. You can reply in the chat also. Okay, on the screen there are 4, initially there are 4 constructors are available, including default constructor. Which constructor we are using here? Bola. Pradnya, Pushpa, anyone? Shubham? Yes, Shubham, tell me. Which constructor we are using? खूप महत्वाचं आहे. नुसतं प्रॅक्टिकल करून फायदा नाही काय आपल्याला. आपल्याला अंडरस्टँड झालं पाहिजे. We are not using default constructor, Pradnya. Okay, we are not using. Second, what it means? What is second? Object. Very good, very good. Okay, from Aditi, I got a good reply. Okay, that is object. Okay, now one more thing is that you can apply your logic here. Okay, लॉजिक वापरा ना तुमचं. ठीक आहे, लॉजिक काय आहे? जे कॉम्बो बॉक्स कन्स्ट्रक्टरचे हे 4 कन्स्ट्रक्टर आहेत, बरोबर. त्यातला पहिला कोणता आहे? डिफॉल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर आहे. डिफॉल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर मध्ये पॅरामीटर येतच नाही, पण ह्या जे कॉम्बो बॉक्स मध्ये पॅरामीटर अवेलेबल आहे. सो इट विल नॉट अ डिफॉल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर, इट इज शुअर. तो डिफॉल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर असू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे, लास्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर बघू आपण, जे कॉम्बो बॉक्स. ओके, व्हेक्टरचं ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, आता आपण जे पास केलंय लँग्वेजेस, हे व्हेक्टरचं ऑब्जेक्ट आहे का? व्हेक्टर क्लास आपण इथे वापरलाय का कुठेही? Okay, so it is not an object of a vector, so it is not a last constructor also. Okay, only 2 options are remaining, second and third, right? तर सेकंड ऑप्शन मध्ये बघा काय दिलंय की कॉम्बो बॉक्स मॉडेल या क्लासचा ऑब्जेक्ट बनवायचा आहे. आपण वापरलाय का कॉम्बो बॉक्स मॉडेल कुठे क्लास? We haven't used it, right? So second constructor is also not there. Okay, so only one option is remaining, that is a third constructor. तिसरा constructor आपण वापरतो. Okay, now Aditi, can you tell me, okay, here for a third constructor we have to use, your answer is correct. Okay, for a third constructor parameter is the array of object, but here we are using an array of string. How is it possible? Can you tell me? Aditi, your answer is correct. Okay, but can you explain it? Yes, Madhuja, can you explain it? Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, I already explained about these things. Okay, this is just a repetition only. Okay, but I will explain it. Don't worry. So, object is a super class of Java hierarchy. Okay, here O is uppercase character. It is not the object of a class. It object is a separate class, right? We have seen it in our basic Java programming also, right? And all the classes, okay, if it is string class, string is also a subclass. ठीक आहे. जर आपल्याला ऑब्जेक्टचा ऍरे देता येत असेल तर आपल्याला त्याचे जे सब क्लास आहेत ते कोणतेही असतील, स्ट्रिंग असेल, इंटिजर असेल, फ्लोट असेल, डबल असेल, काही असेल, त्या क्लासचा सुद्धा अरे देता येतो. ओके, तेव्हा स्ट्रिंग इज ऑल्सो अ टाईप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ओनली. स्ट्रिंग इज ऑल्सो टाईप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक आहे. जर इथे ऑब्जेक्ट क्लासचा ऍरे द्यायची प्रोव्हिजन आहे तर तुम्ही स्ट्रिंग क्लासचा ऍरे पास करू शकता, तुम्ही इंटिजर क्लासचा ऍरे पण पास करू शकता, तुम्ही डबलचा ऍरे पण पास करू शकता. इट इज पॉसिबल. ओके, आणि त्यासाठीच ते जेनेरिक ठेवलंय. कारण ज्या वेळेला आपल्याला कॉम्बो बॉक्स बनवायचा, स्वतः विचार करा तुम्ही, काय डोकं आहे डेव्हलपरचं हे काम करण्यामागे, आर्किटेक्चर डेव्हलपरचं डोकं असं आहे की त्याला माहित आहे की कॉम्बो बॉक्स ज्या वेळेला वापरायचा असेल आपल्या प्रोग्रामरना, त्यावेळेला त्यांना कॉम्बो बॉक्स वेगवेगळ्या कारणासाठी वापरायचा असेल. तो कदाचित इंटिजर व्हॅल्यू साठी वापरायचा असेल, फ्लोट साठी वापरायचा असेल, डबल साठी वापरायचा असेल, कॅरेक्टर साठी वापरायचा असेल, स्ट्रिंग साठी वापरायचा असेल. मग त्यांना कोणत्या पद्धतीसाठी कॉम्बो बॉक्स वापरायचं हे मला माहित नाही. ते रन टाइमला डिसाईड करतील. कोण डिसाईड करतील? प्रोग्रामर डिसाईड करतील. मग त्याने तशी फॅसिलिटी बनवून ठेवली. यू कॅन यूज एनी टाईप ऑफ एनी डेटा टाईप, okay, for a combo box. You can use either integer or float or double or string. Okay, it is up to you. Okay, that's why architecture developer has make a provision that you can pass a array of object. Okay, instead of array of object, you can pass array of string, you can pass array of integer, array of double, array of float, anything. It is possible. Okay, I think the idea is clear to you now. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, you have to explain it. Okay, each and every time you have to explain it. Okay, मला एक्सप्लेन करण्याची गरज नाही, पण तुम्हाला हे सांगता आलं पाहिजे. Okay, it is required. Okay, now remaining part is very easy. Okay, this is only core part. Okay, so here we have created LAN list as an object. Then we have created the object of a J scroll pane. Okay, so J scroll pane is created by using this J combo box. Okay, so we are passing an object of J combo box to J scroll pane. Okay, then for that particular J combo box object, we are setting a bounds. Then on the content pane object, we are adding this scroll pane. So on the content pane, scroll pane object is added, and within a scroll pane, we are having a combo box. Okay, then set size, set visible. You can use set default close operation also. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, this is very easy part. You can use other methods also. Okay, these other methods also, or you can copy it directly. It is also possible, right? So I am not going to show you that part. Okay, within the main method, you have to call that object. Okay, you have to call that, you call the object of a J combo and J scroll pen game. So here we go. I am running this application, run as and Java application, right? Okay, so I will stop sharing here. Okay, and I will share that output screen again. So okay, is it visible? The output screen is visible to you? I think it is visible to you, right? Okay, so here we are having a scroll pane. Within that, we are having this J combo box. Okay, so all the languages are available: English, Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit. If you add this list, then it is also available, right? So at a time, only one language is available or displayed. But if you click here, then all other languages also available. So you can have a list of 10 languages, 13 languages, 15 languages. It is up to you, right? Okay. Up to this part, is it clear to you? Okay, how to use a J scroll pane and how to use a J combo box. Please reply in the chat. Okay. Okay. Now, what I am planning is, okay, I have explained all both the practicals to you, okay, as per the curriculum copy. Okay, so we have covered these two practicals. So I will share one more link to you, okay, and in that particular link, in a practical number 6, there are some exercises also available, right? Okay, काही exercises दिलेले असतात. त्यातले काही exercises तुम्ही स्वतः बनवू शकता. काही ठिकाणी तुम्हाला काही डाउट्स येऊ शकतात. Okay, for that particular part, there are program codes are directly available. So I am sharing that link also. Okay, you can go through that link. Okay, in that we are having a exercises or program codes related to your practical number 6. Okay, and on the internet you will find um, answers for other source codes also. Okay, for other practicals. तेव्हा बाकीचे जे प्रॅक्टिकल्स आहेत, प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 7 असेल, 8 असेल, 9 असेल, जे काय आहेत आपल्या करिक्युलम मध्ये मॅन्डेटरी प्रॅक्टिकल्स आहेत, त्याचे कोड सुद्धा तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली इंटरनेटवर अवेलेबल असू शकतील. तुम्ही थोडं सर्च करा त्या साईटवर. मी तुम्हाला ती साईटची लिंक पण शेअर करतो. आणि प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 6 मध्ये जे एक्सरसाइजेस आहेत ते तुम्हाला मी शेअर करतो. सो यू कॅन गो थ्रू दॅट पार्ट, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड इट. ओके, सेम पार्टवरच विचारलेले आहेत. ट्रीवर विचारलाय, कॉम्बो बॉक्सवर विचारलाय, स्क्रोल पेनवर आहेत एक्सरसाइजेस. ते गो थ्रू करा आणि जेवढे तुम्हाला लिहिता येतील तेवढे लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. ठीक आहे. बाकीचे प्रॅक्टिकल वर जे एक्सरसाइजेस आहेत ते पण तुम्हाला गुगलमध्ये मिळू शकतील. यू कॅन जस्ट सर्च. ओके, त्या साईटवर जाऊन तुम्ही सर्च करू शकता. यू हॅव टू टेक सम एफर्ट्स, देन इट विल बी अवेलेबल. फक्त एकच महत्वाची गोष्ट अशी आहे, हे सगळं करत असताना सगळे एक्सरसाइजेस सोडवले पाहिजे तसं मॅन्डेटरी नाहीये. प्रॅक्टिकल सगळी लिहायची आहेत तुम्हाला. मॅन्डेटरी प्रॅक्टिकलची आहेत ती सगळी लिहायची आहेत. परंतु प्रत्येक मॅन्डेटरी प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये किंवा कंपल्सरी प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये जे एक्सरसाइजेस दिले ते सगळे एक्सरसाइजेस तुम्हाला लिहिता आलेच पाहिजे, तसं कुठेही कंपल्शन नाहीये. तुम्हाला जेवढे येतील ते लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. पण इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट काय, जे तुम्ही लिहाल ते अंडरस्टँड करून लिहा. ओके, ब्लाइंडली कॉपी पेस्ट करू नका. ओके, डोंट डू इट. इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट. माय रिक्वेस्ट इज डोंट copy paste it blindly. Okay, try to understand it, then and then only you can write it. If you don't understand, don't write. Okay, not required. Okay? You have to write a source code for that particular experiment. ठीक आहे, त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटचा सोर्स कोड तुम्ही लिहा, जो आपण या सेशन मध्ये बघतोच आहोत. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन मध्ये जे क्वेश्चन दिलेले असतील, प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन, ते जर तुम्हाला सोडवता आले, तुम्हाला तो कोड अंडरस्टँड झाला काही ठिकाणी, ओके, बऱ्याच ठिकाणी तुम्हाला अंडरस्टँड होईलच, कुठे डाऊट येणार नाही. तर तुम्ही अंडरस्टँड करा आणि मग लिहा. जर तुम्हाला कुठे डाऊट येत असेल, अंडरस्टँड होत नसेल, तर तो कोड लिहू नका, काय आवश्यकता नाही. ठीक आहे, आपण प्रॅक्टिकल बाकीची कम्प्लीट करा. ओके, एनी डाऊट इज देअर? I am sharing for a practical number 6. Madhuja, I am sharing for a practical number 6. ओके, प्रत्येक प्रॅक्टिकलला सोर्स कोड लिहायचाच असतो तुम्हाला. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त काही प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन असतात एक्सरसाइज मध्ये. ओके, तिथे तुम्हाला डाऊट येतात. मग त्यासाठीचे काही कोड मी तुम्हाला शेअर करतोय गुगल क्लासरूमवर. ती लिंक शेअर करतोय. ते तुम्ही गो थ्रू करा आणि लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. पण सगळ्यांना माझी मी परत सांगतोय सगळ्यांना, जर एखाद्या एक्सपेरिमेंटचे प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला जर येत नसतील, की तुम्ही सर्च करा. ओके, तुम्हाला सर्च केल्यानंतर ते अंडरस्टँड पण होतील, मिळतील सुद्धा, तर तुम्ही लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. तरी पण समजा एखादा कोड आला नाही, तर ठीक आहे, हरकत नाही. यू कॅन कम्प्लीट रिमेनिंग पार्ट इन द प्रॅक्टिकल. ओके, डोंट स्टिक अप विथ दॅट. तिथे स्टकअप होण्याची काय गरज नाही, आणि ब्लाइंडली कॉपी पेस्ट करण्याची पण काही गरज नाही. ओके, सो आय थिंक द आयडिया इज क्लिअर टू यू. अदिती, इज इट क्लिअर व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग? प्रज्ञा, इज इट क्लिअर? ओके, सो बर्डन घेण्याची गरज नाहीये. जे तुम्हाला इझिली करता येते ते करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. ठीक आहे, पण जे कराल ते अंडरस्टँड करूनच करायचंय. सगळे प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन मी आता शेअर करणारच आहे. ते सगळे कोड तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली अवेलेबल होणार आहेत. ओके, त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जे प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मध्ये जे कोड लागतील तुम्हाला, जेवढे जमतील तेवढे लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. ते तुम्ही शेअर करू शकता तुमच्या मित्रांबरोबर, मैत्रिणींबरोबर. फक्त ते अंडरस्टँड करा, दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, नाव आय एम गिव्हिंग यू वन मोर point. Okay, that is, I want to give one code to you. Okay, and I start sharing screen from here. So are you getting this? This is a curriculum copy only. Okay, we are having a program. Okay, program number or practical number 3, that is a compulsory question only. Write a program to design a simple calculator with the use of grid layout. Okay, I have already explained this question. I have already explained this particular question when I am explaining a grid layout in my theory session, right? Okay. So I am sharing a web link to you with you on the Google Classroom. You can just go through that web link. Okay, same program, same type of program is created there. Try to understand it, and in the next session, tell me. Okay, if you are having any doubt. Okay, in the next session, we try to cover practical number 4 and 5. Okay, because first two practicals are very easy. Okay, and it is already we have taken it in a theory session and a practical session only. So I will go for the next two practical, that is practical number 4 and 5. Okay. So for you, this is a homework. Okay, try to understand and try to write this practical number 3. I am sharing a source code. Don't worry about it. Okay, I am sharing it. Okay, you can go through it and try to see it. Okay, whether it is understood to you or not. Okay. तेव्हा आता असं MSBT पण सांगताय आम्हाला की तुम्ही सगळं स्पून फिडिंग करू नका. थोडंसं त्यांना काम द्या त्यांना. स्टुडंटना थोडं काम द्या तर ते विचार करायला लागतील. Okay, so try to go through this practical number 3. Okay, if it is not clear, then I will explain to you. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, but it is very easy. I will share a source code of it. Okay, you can go through it. Okay, I will share through a Google Classroom only. Right. Okay, in the next session, we will cover up these 4 and 5 practicals. It is again a compulsory one. Okay, and then we will see, okay, which practicals are remaining. Accordingly, we can complete it. Okay, very few practicals are remaining now. Okay, so we are having ample time, ample amount of time. Okay, any doubt is there? Okay, otherwise I will wind up this session now. Any doubt? Yes, anyone from you? Shubham, any doubt is there? Pushpa, any doubt is there? Okay, okay. So I will wind up this session. You can, I will share a recording of this session also. Okay, after some time. Okay, then you can go through the Google Classroom. I am uploading the material on the Google Classroom only. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for joining this session. Okay, after a long time. Okay, thank you.